Yeah, that's definitely tranny. Look at the color of it.
Yeah, it's red.
Yeah. No, it just has a thicker viscosity look into it also. So, 2 different plugs.
A little bit.
That's normal, no biggie. Okay, this is the pin that retains the lifters. See the lifter comes up here?
Yep.
See that flat spot on the lifter?
Yep.
That's what keeps the anti-rotation.
Okay.
See the roller's now going straight right now. If you turn it sideways like that and it didn't go in, see it's going the wrong way, it'll destroy the cam and the lifter pretty quickly. Okay, pull the pin up.
Pull this up.
The pin. Okay, the lifter too.
Got it.
Okay, just put them over there in the pan, all the rest of the stuff in the pan. Pan, that's that thing over there.
Got it.
Okay, this we had to tap off with a hammer.
Got it.
Okay, go and get the back one.
Let's do the back one now.
What kind of hammer is that?
Soft hammer.
Plastic hammer.
Plastic.
Okay, there's our retention pin on this one also. They're the same front and rear, so it doesn't matter. And we'll get one more lifter hammer in here. There you go.
Does that matter? You want that in the back?
We're putting new ones, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, gaskets come out. Okay, that needs to be cleaned up. Don't get the rat turds in, or mice turds in the motor. They can stay there, just don't put them in the motor.
Turbo. Nice.
So,
Red.
clean this up with here's a clean rag we can use. Okay, we gotta wipe all this stuff off in here too and get to that point.
Okay.
You got any brake clean around here?
I know. You gonna do something about this now, or what?
Give me a towel bag in. You can use mice turds, you can't use my towel.
What, I mean, you got a little mini vacuum or anything?
I don't know what he's got around here. There's a couple dirty towels, use these. One can scoop and one can slide, and the trash cans are right here. Aim for this.
Seriously?
Yeah, I don't know if you can catch that hole though. It's that, you gotta go in that big hole right there. Try to get it all the way into there.
God, it's nasty.
I was collecting those. I thought they were special.
That is nasty.
Okay, it's lunchtime, Fred.
Don't do that to me, man.
You got them all out?
You need to spray or you
We gotta clean the inside of the motor out.
Well, we might as well use the other end of this. 'Cause
Just go ahead and wipe all that out of there. We're cleaning all that out. We'll spray it down good. You got that. Oh, you got concentrated. There you go. Cheaper by the volume. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pull the cam bearing out somehow. Get the right cam bearings. Should we check to make sure these are correct with cam bearings, Fred? Sorry, these are correct cam bearings?
That doesn't look like this.
Do you look at the right size? Or are they too big? Cam bearings go with the cam, not with the crankcase.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Okay, go find the cams. Fred, get the cam box
Cam box.
behind the orange flag. Big white box. Pull the cam out.
Hey, easy open box here.
Yeah, takes a master chief to do it.
Senior chief.
Here,
think
Fred,
we got one,
Fred,
huh?
Fred. Let me show you how to do that.
Not a master chief.
I
Senior
am not a senior master chief, so I was able to figure it out.
We didn't need to.
Was that?
We didn't need to.
You didn't know all that? Have a look.
Carefully open this up.
First thing is see if we have a problem in here. Okay, they appear to be clearing, Fred. They appear to be clearing the case, so we don't have to cut the case. It's too big of a cam to get the case.
All right.
So that's good. All right.
All
That's
right.
dirty. Where's your dirty rag? Somebody get oil on it. Okay, this is the new bearing, full complement, not caged. Appears to be the correct bearing, Fred.
Okay.
Good thing. See, these are cage bearings, so they fail at half the load capacity, even though they say they're more.
So we need to get those out of there.
Yes, we got a toolkit right here. Okay, we're gonna need this piece.
Yep.
Gonna need a tube.
Yep.
Make sure this side is not down like the last one I did. Make sure the cam bearing side is down. Very,
So it squeezes
very
with-
important.
So we squeeze.
So it actually pulls out, doesn't destroy my tool. We're gonna need a washer and a nut. We should have some lubricant on that. Do you have any lubricant?
Sure.
This thread's what's called cross-threaded.
We're gonna make some noise for a minute.
Why?
Why is that trying to cross thread?
Because it might have a burr on the first thread, or you're doing it wrong. I did it wrong, so maybe you are too. Okay, we need some oil. Where are we gonna get oil?
We got the green slime stuff. Are we gonna use that?
Just put a little dab on each side of the washer to lubricate it.
We're
It's
using
fine,
the-
don't get carried away. You're doing way too much. Put it on the other side. Okay, that's good. Don't overdo it. Clean your finger off. Your hands are dirty, Fred. Where's your rag? Keep using my rag.
It's the first time I use your rag.
I'm on the rag.
There we go.
Okay, you gotta push that in. Push it in.
I got it. Just hang on.
Fred, you gotta push it in.
Just chill, Joe. It's in now.
I heard a pop. Did you hear that pop in there and squeak?
It's in.
Okay. Before you get too carried away, you gotta put the plug in the middle.
The plug in the middle?
Yep.
All right.
The round shaft over there. Somewhere's a round shaft.
This shaft?
Is it round?
Yeah.
That's not big enough.
What do you mean it's not big enough?
Is that the right size? Okay, it is the right one. There you go.
Really?
Yep. Really? Really? Yeah. Yes.
So,
Tighten it up. Where's your wrench?
we didn't get a wrench out, did we?
Got a 12-inch crescent around here? Big socket with a zip tie? Zip gun? There you go. Look at, there's the factory tool, Fred. This is genuine Airco, so it's not Craftsman.
Multitask adjustable wrench.
It's a genuine cam tool removing tool wrench.
You got an impact fee first.
He might need it because he's just spinning his wheels over here.
Yeah, because this thing is just spinning around.
That's right, because you haven't tightened it yet.
Yep. Hang on a second.
You got another one of those? You like a 3/4.
That's not gonna work.
It said 3/4 on it.
Oh, here we go.
Fred, that's not gonna work.
Why?
You said so. So once it gets tight, it should stay in. Okay, it should stay about there. Okay. Oh, I heard something break, Fred. What was that?
Did I break something?
I heard something break. Okay, you get rid of this wrench. It doesn't do anything now.
Are you sure it doesn't do anything now?
Okay, you got a socket for that?
You should have a socket size.
About 1.125 maybe?
About that frickin' big.
Put your tongue out. It's that size. That's too big. I'm pretty sure, but I think it's too big. That's too big too.
I'm not gonna have it.
Fred, I don't have any tools this size.
No, I got it. 1/8?
Yep. It's gotta be a deep well.
You should say, you didn't say gate well, did you?
You don't have it?
No.
How come I can do everything by myself? Camera, man. Watch your toes.
Watch. I got my safety shoes on, man.
Good thing you didn't hit those
I got my
toes.
safety shoes on. What the hell?
It's almost loose, it's gonna fall out. So when
I
it falls out, it's
understand
gonna hit the ground too.
No, it's not.
Told you. Okay,
hit the ground,
unscrew that
yeah.
nut, Fred, all the way.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Are you sure about that?
No, I'm not, but I didn't see the instruction sheet over here, Fred.
I think I'm ready for a steak.
I did not see the instruction sheets over here, Fred.
Prime New York's.
Okay, these look like the installation tool.
Any kind of.
Sock with a hammer does this is good. How's it going over here? Did you get that, Fred?
Yeah, I got it.
Did that come out?
Yeah, it's right there.
There's a bearing. Oh, look at that. There's a bearing.
I should.
Yeah, it looks dirty and rusty. Let me save that for you.
Oh, dirty and rusty.
Fred, you got oil on your fingers again. Fred, you got oil on your fingers. You're getting tool oily. Fred, the tool got oily.
that?
Yeah, don't put that in first. That goes in second.
That sort of prevents it from squeezing in.
It keeps it from collapsing so it stays out and it pulls out. If you don't put this in there, this collapses and pulls out and the bearing stays put. Fred, that goes in that hole over there. The one on the right side, not the left side.
Are you sure about that?
I'm not sure about it. How much you pay for this tool? It seems to be a piece of crap. Fred can barely use it.
I got it from some guy.
Where'd you get it from?
Remember his name? Seems like it's tied for the
That guy right there?
that guy.
That guy right there. I heard stuff about that guy. You better watch out for him. I heard he was shifty.
This thing's got
He
some
has
sharp
very peculiar
edges.
eating habits. I can tell you that.
He doesn't know how to shift very well on a bike either. I saw that.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it pop in. Fred, that's a little loose. It might fall out. Where's that tool that didn't work? Somebody keeps changing the boxes on me around here. What drawer was that tool in? There we go. Here's that one that doesn't fit. You should be watching how to use this tool because you didn't do it.
What's that?
So do you have a hammer and a socket or something to beat on, or driving bar? You don't have any hammer driver stuff, do you?
What are you talking about?
You can put the bearings back in. Okay, so go ahead and make up that tool over there. Let's get you got to make a bearing press. So read the instructions and go ahead and put that together. Get it over here. Fred, it's going to need about 2 minutes.
2 minutes? I don't need no damn 2 minutes.
Minute 30. How's those instructions going over there?
There's no instructions on this thing.
Those factory instructions right there.
Are the Tatro instructions?
No, I didn't make that tool. I have hammer drivers. I just drive them with hammers and I'm done.
Yeah, you would put an air impact on it and
No, I use a hammer. Number 2.5, 2.5 pounder. Looks good.
this bearing is just about out.
Are we over 1.3 minutes yet?
See how I caught that?
He's got a nitrous bottle over here. Look at that.
What are you changing the subject for?
Fred, you get that out? All right.
No,
Good
I got
job.
it out.
Good job, Fred. Did you figure that out over there yet?
Tatro, I got it out. You got some rags to clean this up with?
Yep.
Did you figure that out yet?
Well, figure these go here.
You sure? Okay, where's the bearing at?
Go bearing here.
You got your military bearings there going on?
We already had one out somewhere.
It was over there.
There's an in and out, all right?
Where's the other one at? Fred lost the bearing already.
Cam case end.
Where?
That's the junk bearing. We don't want that. Where's the good bearing, Fred? Fred had it over here. He stole my rag. He stole my rag, too.
It was up your.
What do you do with my rag? Give my bearing.
Can you throw this away now?
You know, I said, is that the new one or the used one? Okay. Where's the other cam at?
I guess they're damn dirty, just stand around doing nothing.
Don't put that over, you're gonna put it in the bike.
This?
Yeah, that's garbage, throw it away. Can't you see it's used?